Well then, sometimes things don't quite happen the way we want. But hey, all that's left to do is roll with the punches and keep on going. That's what I've been trying to do this past time. Haven't quite been able to grind as hard as I'd want, but one thing's for certain, I'm not giving up on this project anytime soon. It's going to come up to about 6 months since I started, and that might dwarf my original goal of 2 months completion, but I'm not letting myself get pulled down by that. I started with no knowledge of programming or anything game dev related, and I've learned so much stuff since. Some things came very instinctively for me, and I'm not worried about fields like level and gameplay design, structure, and coding. However, I've definitely been humbled in fields like 3D modeling and computer graphics in general. Assets are what I've been spending my time working on, and I'm sure I won't ever stop learning about new and better ways to make them effectively. Other than that, not a lot of new big things have been added in my game. I've been skimming around my code, refactoring wherever I can to improve and better arrange my code for future features, and I'm doing a lot of tweaking with values for audio and ease of gameplay in general. One cute thing I can show off is this. I settled down and got myself working on making a class for using easing curves through code. Now whenever I want to lerp something, instead of having the movement be flat and boring, I can ease it and give it much smoother and nicer results without any trouble really. Okay, I've decided I want to separate my videos in 2 parts from now on. What I'm concerned about is spoilers. Since it's a short game I'm making, a lot of the stuff I'm working on will be easily recognizable in the final version. So now's the time where, if you want to go in blind, you should skip to the time on the screen, because otherwise I'm going to get much more specific with my examples. Have a look at this nice little radio I made. This is going to be part of the main elements of the game, and I'm really glad with how it turned out, especially that I managed to find a way to get in some detail, even if my game's visual style is simple. Here's a simple little metallic box you can open and close. I used the hinge joint component because I wanted physics to work nicely with it, even if this object only appears once in the game. And lastly, check out this slick bass guitar I made. I even managed to implement the OB rope package, so the strings actually have some really nice physics. They show especially during this interaction I coded with the pincers item I showed in the previous video. I'm really looking forward to when the audio will have been implemented for this. Alright, well, that's all I got for today's show and tell. I want to excuse myself for how long it's been, and I want to thank everyone for the support. I'm going to keep giving it my best, and I'll be seeing you in the next devlog. Take care, fellas.